What is up, YouTube? This is Edgar from BHA Concrete. Today I got 5 yards to San Bernardino, little 17-minute drive from here to the project site. But I want to update you guys on this new setup. You know, not really new, but I kind of updated the new setup from the setup that we had before, from the flatbed. Now we have a new look. So we have a 2024 2500 Duramax. It's getting all warmed up now. And then over here, asking for the pump, we ended up switching the colors of it. So let's check it out. So this is, you know, we gotta rep it out a little bit, but we ended up wrapping it up. Everything's pretty much the same. Everything's inside the same, but nice little wrap. Wouldn't go wrong. Go on through. There's some spots I left it white for it could do a little two-tone contrast. Here's my little dog right there. But yeah, my pops left like around 20 minutes ago, but went to a different job site. But this is pretty much our little yard we got going on here. We got the excavator, the John Deere, and the mini Bobcat right there. The flatbed, the trailer that we use for dumping concrete, anything like that. Utility bed, truck, and yeah. So we're gonna start heading out right now. Just want to warm up the truck, update you guys on everything. But yeah, that's how everything's looking as of right now. I know kind of been lagging on the posts and everything, but we're trying to stay back on track. So see how it goes. Let's switch off the lights and let's get going. So it's currently 5:05. A little 15-minute drive from here to the project site is not that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up. And I'm gonna go ahead and get a time lapse. So we're gonna go ahead. Job site's right here in the corner, but we're gonna go ahead and find a quick donut shop. It's still pretty early. It's barely 5:31. So we're gonna go ahead and look for a donut shop. There's one probably like 3 minutes away, so we'll go stop by right there, and then from there I'll ride to the job site around probably like 6 or 5. Actually no, 5:40 I say. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Can't go wrong with some yum donuts. Sprinklers, you know. Yeah, I parked right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see. Let me know what you guys think. 24 hours open. I just got this right here. Bag secured. Nice little medium hot chocolate. Well, I'll say hot coffee, but and then I got myself one of those like they're like little croissants but with jelly inside. I don't know how they explain it, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be sipping on this and eating while we get to the job site or anything. But yeah, bags secured. Let's get it. So we are now arriving to the job site. Looks like an easy day today, but rather just wait until the contractors get here. There's a lot of little caution tape right here. So setting up the truck right now. We'll have to wait until the contractors get here. But yeah. ¿Ahí salió?
Sí, ahí salió.
Ok. Deja sacar un poquito de aire nomás. Pouring the concrete, 100 feet of hose. But yeah. And a little quick, built a little 5-yarder here. And starting the washout process. Here we go. Going fast today, boy. A little 20-minute pour. We're out of here. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys check out my Instagram. I'll be posting all these other pours that I usually don't post on YouTube. Woo! That water cold. God damn, this thing has so much pressure. All right. Here with, let me see, double check, Ortiz Ready Mix. Zoom in real quick. Check him out. Pretty good concrete here, Southern California. Let's go. Watch out now. Turn off the water. One more washout. Clean water only, let's go. Now we open the batch. Clean water. Scrap this. so we're all done now. Quick little 5-yarder. Couldn't get really that much body cam footage or POV of just me pumping. The trucker had another project. I had to help him out a little bit. Second time I meet with that guy, so you know, you gotta take care of your drivers. Gotta make sure they stay busy like how we do, you know. So I didn't really get that much footage, but you know, I know this is a different type of video than what I usually do. We're all set now. I put the tire on top because I gotta go patch it up right now. So a little bit different of a setup, but yeah, we're all cleaned up, clean, concrete poured all around the house. Perfection. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and record my way back home, and I'll see you guys right now. A little 20-minute drive back home. Yeah, you know, pretty easy day today. 5 yards. But yeah, I mean, concrete arrived a little bit earlier than usual, or a little earlier than expected, but it worked out perfect. I'd rather it come early than come late, so that's the first time. But big shout out, like I said, to Valencia Concrete Pumping to getting me covered throughout this holiday season. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put his IG right here. You guys can make sure check out his page, show some support, and yeah, so see you guys back in the yard. Complete back home. I'm gonna be probably taking that tire to go get fixed today. Remember, guys, make sure to check out the IG. But yeah, closer look to the pump. You know, I'm trying to look for this rim cover right here. I blew it out. I didn't blow it out, but it fell off the other day. Looking for that piece, so I'm probably do some more research on that. But there it is. That's the video for today. Probably gonna be uploading this later on today. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about these new type of videos. You guys recommend me continue doing it, or you guys want more of the other type of videos? I was aiming to do more body cam footage, but I was a little bit in a rush today, so yeah, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, here it is, all done, back in the yard. But yeah, remember, just check out the IG, TikTok, check out the highlights of this video. So on to the next one.